Hello, I'm Chris Placitella, and I've been litigating, along with my law firm, um, product defect and, in particular, uh, defects involving the body, drugs, medical devices, for more than 30 years at this point. And this morning I'm here to talk to you about what's going on in the transvaginal mesh cases around the country. And at this point, there are actually thousands of cases pending in federal and state court. These were products that were used by women to prevent urinary incontinence. Before they came up with these products, this product was handled surgically, and it was handled pretty well surgically. But this product came up, and it's now manufactured by a number of different manufacturers. And the allegations in these cases are that the manufacturers did not provide adequate information to the doctors and to the patients, and that the devices themselves were actually defectively designed. So there have been a number of trials of these cases in the last number of weeks and months that are worth knowing about. The first, most recent trials involved a company known as Boston Scientific. And just recently, they were hit with a $26.7 million verdict in Florida over a pelvic mesh product. The plaintiffs' lawyers in those cases were Shelley Houston, Jim Perdue, Aaron Copeland, and John Osborne, who did a great job. And then there are other cases being tried in West Virginia where all the federal cases are being litigated at this point from around the country. And in that first trial in federal court, there was an $18.5 million verdict. And in that case, the lawyers were, I believe, Scott Love and Doug Mansour, who are also excellent lawyers. The jury gave the four plaintiffs in that case compensatory, that is pain and suffering and disability, of $14.5 million, and also put on top of that $4 million in punitive damages. The other company who has a lot of cases that are now being tried is Ethicon, and that is a division of Johnson & Johnson. Ethicon was recently hit with a $3.27 million verdict, also in West Virginia, in a bellwether trial that happened in September. One of our co-counsel here in New Jersey, Fidelma Fitzpatrick, from the Motley Rice firm, was intimately involved in trying that case and did a great job. Also, a Texas state court jury handed down a $1.2 million verdict in what they call a TVTO case, a different kind of mesh involving the same Ethicon company. A year or so ago here in New Jersey, Ethicon was hit with a $3.35 million verdict for a South Dakota woman. And that case was tried by the law firm of Maisie Slater, who also did an excellent job. Now, some defendants have taken a different tact. AMS, American Medical Systems, that is tried to settle these cases and is at this point exploring settlement in a large number of cases. And then there is Bard, who is also a big manufacturer of these cases. No Bard case has been tried to date, but there are a number of cases now being set in federal court in West Virginia. And those cases involving Bard have recently been transferred here in New Jersey to a new judge, Brian Martinotti, a very fine judge, who will be getting a scheduling order together in January, and hopefully we'll see some cases tried here. So that's all the news right now for what's going on in transvaginal mesh cases. The next time something eventful happens, we'll come back and update you. At this point, we're litigating about 1,000 of those cases here in New Jersey with our co-counsel, and we're very optimistic about our chances given the proofs that have been amassed so far. So thank you, and we'll see you next time.